Hello you guys and welcome back to another vlog. So as you can see, the setup is a little bit different today. I'm not sitting down. I'm exactly where I was in the last video, but I am just standing up and I'm not sitting down, which tells you कि आज कुछ अलग होने वाला है. मतलब a little bit अलग. I am going to give you a bookshelf tour. Ta-da! I have prayed for this bookshelf. I have worked hard for this bookshelf. I have paid money for this bookshelf. I've done everything for this bookshelf. बचपन से मुझे bookshelf चाहिए था and I finally got it. So why not give you a tour? But we will also be reviewing a few books in the end of the vlog, at the end of the vlog, because I really need to talk about them. And there's an update from the last vlog. So yeah, keep watching if you want to, like, yeah, let's call this clickbait. But anyway, so let's start with the book tour. So starting here, this, as you can see, if you can, this is the Harry Potter series, all 7 books, and then The Cursed Child. I haven't read The Cursed Child, so what will you do? Nothing. So but yeah, I have the Harry Potter book series, which was the I think the first proper set of books I owned. My sister gave this to me on my birthday. I think it was in 2018. She wasn't supposed to be here for my birthday. She was away at college, but she surprised me and I cried. I'm lame like that. But like I was acting very cool ki I don't care, mujhe kya nahi aa rahi hai to, but I did care apparently, because as soon as she came I started crying. But yeah, she got me the Harry Potter series, which I wanted from a long time. I had read the series by then from my school ki library, and I had fallen in love with reading. What is wrong with me? Anyway, that's if you have watched the intro video, you know that's how I got into reading again. I had not been reading for a while, and then Goosebumps happened, and then there was a break, and then Harry Potter happened, and that's how I realized. So she got me the Harry Potter book set, which every person should have, I feel, if they like Harry Potter, because it's just too good. I don't even have all of my books here. I would show you such a cool book I own. I own a Harry Potter Prisoner of the Azkaban का एक edition, which is super cool. It has so many interactive elements and everything, because Prisoner of the Azkaban is my favorite part. So yeah, this is how we started. And then there's The Cursed Child, which also she got me years later. But yeah, so the whole Harry Potter series was gifted to me by my sister. Please excuse my language, I'm not used to talking. I just all day, so I talk in the vlog and I ruin it. But yeah, so this is the Harry Potter series. Then on the other side is the Game of Thrones series, which also my sister gave it to me. I haven't read these. I should be ashamed, but I'm not. I asked for them and she gave it to me. Okay. Everybody deserves an elder sister like that. So yeah, that's the Harry Potter series. That's the Harry Potter series. That's the Game of Thrones series. Then beach mein, here are 3 books, and yahan pe there are 3 books. And beach mein, can you see this? This is the Westeros map, which came with the Game of Thrones series, and it is so cool. And I have put it like a, show off thingy on the top of the. I mean, look. Why wouldn't I show this off? Who wouldn't show this off? I mean, yeah. So yeah, this came with the Game of Thrones series. So this is here. Then there's the Harry Potter wands, which also I showed in a previous vlog. I think you really need to watch my previous vlogs for half of the, storylines and everything that's going on here, because मैंने काफ़ी सारा context पहले vlogs में दे रखा है, and I don't want to repeat myself. I have other things to do. I don't, but still. Then there's Alena series. There's Spanish Love Deception, The American Roommate Experiment, and The Long Game. I really like the first 2 books. 3rd book, सबका review दे रखा है guys मैंने. Please behave yourselves. I loved the first 2 books. They are 2 of my favorites, and The Long Game was ठीक है. Then I'm so sorry. I should not be so disrespectful. I'm sorry. Then there's these 3 books. This is Ali Hazelwood series, which is The Love Hypothesis on the bottom. I don't think you can see that. Then there's Love on the Brain, second number पे, and then there's Love Theoretically सबसे ऊपर. So like you know, symmetry दोनों तीन तीन थी, तो I kept it like yeah, and then I put the wands on top. If you want to see the wands, please watch the previous vlog. They're very 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 cool. Okay, very 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 cool. I'm not even. This is not a joke, and this is not a, you know, बड़ा चढ़ा के भी नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं. They just are. They're super cool and they're life sized and they're from Harry Potter. And yeah, if anybody wants to gift me the elder wand, life sized elder wand, I'm accepting because I cannot find it. Anyway, moving on to the next shelves. We have two here. Which one should I do first? I started from the left, or I'll start from the left. This is the thriller section. Can you see me? Yes, you can see me. This is the thriller section. No, this is not the thriller section. Am I blind? Yes, I'm blind. This is a mix section. इसमें बीच में थ्रिलर्स रखी है, यहाँ पे पोइट्री है, यहाँ पे प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस भी है, और यहाँ पे वन डायरेक्शन की बुक है, और यहाँ पे फिर से पोइट्री है, यहाँ पे लिटिल लाइफ है. सो इट्स लाइक अ, जब मैं अपनी बुक शेल्फ अरेंज करी थी, दीज आर द बुक्स. मतलब अदरवाइज मैंने सारी जॉनर वाइज अरेंज करी हुई हैं, प्लीज़ डोंट जज मी. बट यहाँ पे देयर वॉज अ लिटिल यू नो मिक्स जॉनर था यहाँ पे, जो कहीं और फिट इन नहीं हो रही थी ढंग से. So this is the One Direction book, hardcover. I showed you in a previous vlog. I will keep saying this. तो मैं block करना पड़ेगा मेरे words को. Then there's the Boy, the Mole, the Fox, and the Horse, which also I showed you. Then there's A Little Life, which I got very recently. I haven't read it because I've heard it's pretty devastating and, you know, heartbreaking and mind breaking and like soul crushing, and I'm not sure I'm ready for that. You know, we don't want to risk our mental health because it is apparently risky to read this with a not so good mental health. The next book is Rock Paper Scissors by Alice Feeney, which is very cool because I love Alice Feeney. Then there's You Are Not Alone by Greer Hendricks and Sarah Buchanan. Then there's John Grisham, Rogue Lawyer, and Sully, and The Judges List. See, I own John Grisham. I'm an intelligent person. Then there's In My Dreams I Hold a Knife by Ashley Winstead. I've read this book. I own this book. I'm so cool. I read it first, then I owned it. The next book is The Devotion of Suspect X, which was a very 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 cool book. अगर तुम्हें दृश्यम पसंद है तो you should give it a read because it is दृश्यम but better. Then there's Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Kill me, but I have not read it yet. It's just I've waited so long and I've heard so much about it and I've heard so much about the movie and the book and मेरी हिम्मत ही नहीं है अभी तक पढ़ने की. I should read it, I know, but I haven't. Then there's 3 books from Atticus, who's a poet I've been following since like I was in class 9th, and I was very 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 fond of him, and I was like, I used to follow his Instagram and read his poems like oh my god. So I found his book in a bookstore here in my city and I went a little bit crazy because they're all hardcovers, so they're expensive. So I only picked up one and I was like, oh my god, एक मिल गई बहुत है. And then my sister got me the other 2. Do you guys realize how cool my sister is? So yeah, so this shelf is done. The next shelf, यहाँ पे सारी romance है, okay? उन दोनों को छोड़ के, ignore that because just please guys, bear with me. So this is a romance section which contains some of my favorite books. So starting with, क्या मुझे दिखाना चाहिए? I think दिख तो रहा है आपको. I think मैं कैमरा मूव करूँगी तो it will be very disruptive and you know, मैं बोल के तो बता ही रही हूँ ना कौन सी बुक्स रखी हैं तो बस. So we're starting with Emily Henry. I have 4 books from Emily Henry. I have Happy Place, Book Lovers, People on Vacation, and Beach Read. I don't own a funny story yet because I kept delaying buying it because I was not here. I was in Gurgaon and I was like, घर जाके ले लूँगी, घर जाके मैं bookstore गई नहीं हूँ अभी तक. So I don't own it yet, but I will, guys. Don't you worry, child. Okay, there's Emily Henry. Then we have Lynn Painter. We have Better Than the Movies. We have Mr. Wrong Number. Very cute, very rom-com. Then we have Betting on You. I don't think I've read it yet. I haven't read it yet. So we own 3 books by Lynn Painter. I'm so sorry for the fumble. Excuse me. Then we have my beloved Christina Lauren. Love in Other Words. I've waited for this book for so long, and like I searched for it for years, and then I finally found it in a bookstore in Gurgaon. Shout out to Bahari Sons yet again. Start sending me books, please. I'm sorry. So I have Love in Other Words. I haven't read it yet. What can you do, guys? What can you do? Nothing. Like me. So I have Love in Other Words, then I have The Soulmate Equation, and I have Something Wilder. I have read one of her books. From this, I have read The Soulmate Equation. Okay? Okay? Please don't judge me again. This is a safe space, guys. I should not have to say this again and again. Then we have Hook, Line and Sinker by Tessa Bailey. I got this book because I fell in love with this, the couple's dynamic. When I read It Happened One Summer, which is the first part in the series. This is the second part in the series. It Happened One Summer was good, but usme I was more focused on the secondary couple who are the main couple in the second book. So yes, I got this because they were like, you know, they shared music and they shared earphones, and that's how the story started. So, and the whole thing is based on their love for music and mutual love for music, and they share music, and even when they're not talking, they share so cute, they share a song that describes their day. I mean, like, a song that relates to their day, and even if they're not talking. So like, yeah, please, it's a romance book after all. So I had to get this. I was just like, bro, this is too cute. Then we have Sally Rooney, Normal People and Conversations with Friends. I have owned these two for a long time, and I kept forgetting कि मैं Normal People के अलावा मेरे पास कौन सी book है, which is so embarrassing. I was like, I would be in a bookstore and I would look at Beautiful Things वाला book and I would be like, क्या ये मेरे पास है या मेरे पास दूसरी वाली है, and I could never tell. It's so embarrassing, and I'm telling you guys, what can we do? The next is this horizontal pile. So this is The Match by Sarah Adams. This is The Off Limits Rule by Sarah Adams. Both by the same author. Are you seeing a pattern here? There's genre, then उसके अंदर there's authors. So like genre के साथ में रखी है, and then authors के साथ divided है. Okay? Yeah, that's how my books are arranged. For now, I keep switching them. But so the next books we have is The Match and The Off Limits Rule by Sarah Adams, which is these two. The Off Limits Rule is, I really loved reading this book because I could really relate to the female character. बहुत ज़्यादा relatability हो गई थी. So I love finding books that, show me pieces of myself. So yeah, I fell in love with it. And The Match is, I will show you why I got this book. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing the chotu puppy in her hand? Yeah, and so there's a rescue puppy situation in this book, so I had to get it. The next we have is Wildfire by Hannah Grace, which is the second part in the series again. First part is Icebreaker. I own that too, guys. Don't you worry. It's in another city, but I do own that. And I love that book. Then I read Wildfire, and like, I love this even more. So thankfully, this one is here with us. Next is Lucy Score, Things We Left Behind, which is a third part in the series. But I own the other two too, but वो भी अलग शहर में है. So like, these two are together because they are separated from their friends. It's okay, guys. I'm emotional. So they are separated from their friends. So उनको हमने साथ में रख दिया because उन दोनों के बाकी दोनों और जो भी दोस्त हैं वो they're not in here. So they will be together. They're friends. Next we have Loath to Love You by Ali Hazelwood. I know उसकी 3 friends ऊपर ही हैं, but अलग तो है ना, so she is also with them only. वो अलग इसलिए बिकॉज यहाँ पे 3 ही बुक्स आ सकती थी. सिमेट्री इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस इज़ डिफरेंट ऑल्सो ना. ये वाली आर प्रॉपर नॉवेल्स एंड दिस इज़ लाइक अ कलेक्शन ऑफ 3 शॉर्ट स्टोरीज. सो या दिस इज़ ऑल्सो फ्रेंड्स विद वाइल्ड फायर एंड थिंग्स यू लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. एंड द फोर्थ बुक इज मतलब who's counting? Then we have Adam Silvera, They Both Die at the End, which was a very, I cannot explain it. It was very unique, very different. You can tell from the title, like, that was the premise of the book. 2 people are gonna die at the end and it was their story. I'll tell you the concept. क्या कर लोगे? Skip कर लो अगर spoiler नहीं चाहिए तो. I'm not giving any spoilers anyway. The spoiler is in the title. They both die at the end. That is the spoiler. So how can that be a spoiler if that's the title, right? So yeah, so they live in a world where you get a call at 12 if you're going to die in the next 24 hours. So you can, cherish your last few hours properly. So 2 boys, cute, emotional, devastating. Next we have Great Expectations, which I got from Nainital bookstore. I got this because this is what I used to read. See, I always loved reading stories. If you can hear a weird ajeeb si sound, that's my dog sitting right there. He is weird, what can we do? So I got Great Expectations because I think when my sister was in class 6th, she got this as a course book and I read the whole thing, which is not normal for a girl who's 3 years younger than her, obviously. So yeah, I always used to love whenever we jumped to a new class and we got our literature books, Hindi literature, English literature, I would just pick up the books and I would read all the stories. I loved reading so much. So yeah, this is the first novel I read, Great Expectations. So I had to get it because emotional value. Next we have Alice Osman ki the yearbook, the Heartstopper yearbook. So yeah, I don't think that needs any explanation. And I also think काफ़ी समय हो चुका है, so we will cover the next few parts in the next part. For now, I need to talk about the books I've been reading last week. So, I talked about Catherine Bell in the last video, and I was reading The Last Breath by her, which was but no, brother, no, it was not I powered through. मतलब मुझे नहीं अच्छी लग रही थी शुरू में, but I powered through. I was like, maybe. And it was so worth it. Just give it a read. It climbed to the top, okay? It's right up there with I forgot the other books, but you know what I mean. It's pretty amazing. It's so cool. Then I read My Darling Husband and Dear Wife by Catherine Bell. So yeah, I think I have finished all the books I had from her. My Darling Husband was good. It was 3.5, 3.7 stars, and Dear Wife was also pretty okay. It did surprise me. It had a huge twist which I did not see coming, but I did not see it coming, but when I realized it, I was like, oh my god. I was like, oh my god, you getting me? But yeah, it was really good. But The Last Breath, guys, you may have to power through the first half, but second half was insane. It was insane. The second half blew my mind. 4.5, 4.7 stars. So yeah, those are the 3 books I read in the last week, and these are 2 parts of my shelf. I will be giving you the second part of the tour in the next week's video. So stay tuned if you're interested. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you if you comment, and thank you if you watch, and thank you if you've subscribed. Basically, thank you. So yeah, thank you. See you next week. Bye.